Tradition calls for us to select a temporary chairman. Until you are well, Uncle. A man who would continue as you would wish. If they were brazen enough to attack a wedding, we have to assume 18K will be coming after us.
I know that you are right. Wei, my boy.
Uncle, you're okay.
Thanks to you. Sister Jiang told me about the troubles between you and Big Smile Lee here. You must stop this fight at once. We must be united against our true enemies.
Yes, of course, Uncle Po.
Good. Pak Mak, see to it that Wei is formally initiated. He's been a loyal foot soldier to the Sun Han Yi. It's time to make him a red pole.
Your initiation is young Leon. He has been selling to schoolgirls and was ordered to stop. He switched to the 18K instead. Make an example of him.
Thank you. I will.
If any of your people have not been properly initiated, bring them with you. Uncle, we still need to decide who will lead us.
What about you, Pak Mak? You are my greatest friend. You know my wishes better than anyone. Would you not take my place?
No, Uncle. I am your advisor. I cannot lead in your place.
So, if not you, who then?
Chu Chin Sao. He is your true nephew, your blood. Legacy Doyan. Who better to preserve your wishes and keep the family together?
Chu Qian, can you handle this responsibility? Temporary chairman?
Yes, Uncle. I am ready and grateful for the opportunity.
Pak Mak, see that it is done.
Jackie, this way. Where are you?
Getting a massage, man. Let me tell you, the girls here are...
Listen, I got some news. I'm on my way over. We got an errand to run. See you in a few minutes. Jackie, you're gonna love this.
What's going on, Wei?
Well, you're about to become a full member of the Sun Han Yi.
Fuck me! Are you sure?
100%.
Yeah, baby! I fucking did it, yeah! Oh, don't worry about it, my man. It'll be your turn soon.
Jackie, they're making me a red pole.
What? Holy shit, Wei! Holy fucking shit!
Well, Jackie, the dream finally comes true.
No shit! Hey, Wei, don't think I don't appreciate it. I know it wouldn't have been possible without you.
No problem, Jackie.
Man, you want to get a massage before we go? My treat. Come on, man. Best way to celebrate. You won't believe what these girls can do.
Then he said that if I stuff my panties in his mouth, he pay me extra.
So what did you do?
Hey, baby.
I put
Want
them
to go
in
on
there,
a
no?
date?
He loved
Okay.
them. I
I can't wait to get my hands on you.
So what's the problem?
Every time he asked me for something, I push the price up. Once he had my nasty little undies in there, he couldn't...
So what's this errand?
It's part of our initiation. You know this guy?
Holy shit! Youngest one of us, Wei. Came up to know prosperity just like you and me.
He's been dealing a kid. They ordered him to stop a couple of times.
Okay. They tell you much about the ceremony?
Just that we're in it.
Brothers after that. Man, Sun On Yi brothers.
Yeah.
What? I went out with you mate the other day.
Finally asked her out, huh? So how'd it go?
Man, I made her laugh so hard. I read that somewhere. That if you make a girl laugh, she'll fall in love with you.
I think if you're funny, she'll fall for you.
Same thing, isn't it?
Hey, where's Young?
佢搞成仆街，係時候做嘢啦！你咁喐我一條毛，我保證你即刻冇命！
我做死咩你？
我走啊，收人！知唔知我呢對鞋有咩特別啊？先停先！捉開你頭啊！爆你個頭啊！你未咁可以打贏㗎！哇！你睇唔睇到啊？哇！死喺我哋手上啊！一齊去打親佢！我哋要殺晒佢哋！打佢個撚樣！屌你！你知唔知我係邊個啊？一齊去打親佢！打佢個撚樣！俾啲力！嚟啊！救命啊！我哋可以打贏啊！你老母，你點辦啊？
What's going on? I'm shaking everywhere.
處男嚟㗎，今晚冇命啊！哇！哇！嚇撚死！
Hey, we need to talk to you.
屌你啊！
Uncle Po sent us.
我冇嘢搞啊，我冇嘢做㗎。唔好意思啊，唔好意思啊。我會做嘅，我下次唔做嘅。Jackie, let's go. Jackie, let's go. Come on, let's move.
You okay?
I don't know, man. Shit, Wei, I've never done that before.
I know.
Was it? I don't know. My hands are shaking, man.
Look, take a breath, Jackie. Breathe, man.
See the look in the guy's eyes? I didn't expect it to be like that. I always thought about how it looked. I didn't know how it made me feel, you know? I can feel it in my stomach. Shit, Wei.
Calm down. Look, it'll wear off, okay?
Ah!
Is it done?
It's done.
Good, good. Brothers, from today forward, your lives will be forever changed. Because today you are my brothers. We're bound to each other by blood, sworn to protect each other to the death if necessary. With our brotherhood comes duty. You will obey our leader in all things, and you will show your brothers respect always. With our brotherhood comes power. The Sun On Yi does not die. The Sun On Yi does not forget. It rewards its sons with wealth, status, and honor. It protects their businesses and their families. It cares for their children as if they were their own. Our brotherhood pays our enemies with pain, suffering, and death. And none suffers more than a traitor. Betray your brothers, and you will die 1,000 times over, slowly, in the dark. The Sun On Yi and the gods themselves will burn your soul from your body and crush the ashes with our heels. There are 32 oaths. With them, you are bound together. With them, you become Sun On Yi. Are you ready to begin? I read your report.
I'm flattered. Was it a slow day or something?
Pendrew's very impressed. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sort of impressed too. He wants you to dig around, see what you can find on Sunny Woe. Says it's a priority.
I read about it. I mean, he reps entertainers, dabbles in porn with allegedly some human trafficking mixed in. Well, why go after him? He's not Sun On Yi.
To bring down the Sun On Yi, we have to take down the people who support them, cut off their revenue sources, dismantle their network. This is how we hit them where it hurts. Sunny's revenue stream is massive, and a lot of it flows to Sun On Yi.
I'll see what I can do, Raymond.
By the way, you hear anything about Dog Eyes? He seems to have disappeared.
Haven't heard a thing.
Oh, before I forget, Jackie Mao, we're taking him in.
Jackie?
From what I read in your reports, he'll be a good source of info, and it won't be hard to make him talk. We'll need you to set him up for us.
That makes no sense. He's nobody.
He's a criminal, Wei. You're a cop. I hate to be a broken record, but it sounds like you're getting attached.
I'm not getting attached. I'm not a fucking idiot, okay? He's part of my cover. He brought me in. He's the one who vouched for me.
And now you're so high up, you don't need him. He's outlived his usefulness, so we're bringing him in.
I'm taking this up with Pendrew.
This came from Pendrew.
Taking him in accomplishes nothing, and it makes my job harder. I'm not doing it.
You don't have a choice, all right? It's a direct order.
Yeah? Direct order? Well, that's an order you can shove directly up your ass, Raymond.
We want the red nose, the lieutenants like Winston.
Open your eyes, Raymond. I am Winston now.
That's what worries me, Wei. You're one of them.